right here. Thank you. One more. Five.
Make sure you get your photo fast because this is too dark.
Okay.
Hi.
You want me to take video of you?
I actually want to go live. Can we go live?
Thank you.
Can I take a video with my twin?
Miss Martin, you want to go live or video?
Look at here, look at the camera. Thank you. Look at me. Okay.
Phone
Okay, look at me.
Full body close up, 3.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Commissioner Joyce Smith.
Okay, thank you so much. I hope you only see
How you been?
things. You scared me. I've been good in your
I've been good.
so long.
I'm here chilling.
I know, right? I
Working.
Get over there to the studio and let you know. Like, I'm looking my girl up.
That's the man.
She's coming back and she's bringing you with her.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Same building. Over there in the back of the warehouse. I'm still there.
Oh, yeah.
Come see me.
I will. Don't you worry. I'll
All right.
This been years.
At least, what, 4?
My turn.
Remember COVID did everything went fast. That's like 3 years.
Thank you.
We're in 2023.
That was 2017.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Them tattoo. I got it. Brian. Come in.
Thank you so much.
My turn.
You could go after her. Sorry. You can go after her. Yes.
Comedian Julie Mango.
Oh, finally. Mwah. Mwah. I'm sorry. I'm all right.
People, besties.
Look at here, you.
Over here.
Over here. Thank you.
One here with your
Wait, Juliet, one please. Oh, yes. Come.
Don't forget to look over here.
Because it's getting late.
just one more
Wait, just her last.
And her last.
Wait, you didn't get to look at her?
Look at me, look at me. Thank you. Oh.
It's okay.
Yeah. Alright. Look at the camera. Okay, look at me, look at me. Last one. Thank you. Look at me, look at me. Thank you.
Can you do some more singles for me, please?
Of course, of course, of course.
Hold on, hold on.
Stay still.
Allez, on va continuer à parler toujours.
I would love to stay, but I gotta go inside, guys. Come.
You can do this at after party.
Yes. Let me get one with mommy. Come, let me get mommy.
Mommy and Dada, Dada, hurry up, Dada, hurry up, Dada, hurry. Jeez. Ready? This is the last one.
I'm on my pants, I'm sorry.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Flip it for me. Hey guys. Okay. I'm about to walk in, guys. I don't know how long everybody I got one wallet. Somebody say. I gotta go, guys. Let me just flip the camera. Flip it. Where is it? Flip it.
The honor of the evening, none other than Miss Grace Spice Hamilton is about to make her way. Give it up for Grace Spice Hamilton.
You want to do it? She wants to go in front.
Y'all have been fed. Y'all have been nourished. Come on. A round of applause. Look how she look nice. Nice, decent, clean. As she takes her seat. As she takes her seat. Ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. Take her all in. And her escort will take her to her seat. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this show is about to restart. Get all your videos, get all your photos. The blue in all its glory. Yes. Lady in blue, not lady in any other blue. Picture up, talking. You give them a little time to take her all in. And then we move on to a special segment. A special segment, that's right. All right. She has taken her seat. Sound effects, DJ Curtis. Sound effects. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I know the excitement you cannot contain, but I'm asking you please to take your seat downs. I'm asking you please to take your sit downs as the show continues. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I told you we are all about to get a treat. We have a performance. We have it, yes, on the whole, but it's not the one that want to end up taking a different performance. But we have a performance that is going to be a special performance for the ladies. And I want you to give a round of applause. Remember the magician from before? He reappeared now. Make some noise for magician Vladdy Lucan. Vladdy Lucan, listen, Vladdy, I want you to take care of the Queen of Dancehall, you know, because we have legacy to carry on, sir. You understand? All right, let's go. Turn your attention to the table right there. Everyone turn your attention. Yes, yes.
Wipe the camera.
Thank you so much. Mike,
Hi, besties. Spices, besties.
How you all doing?
Pastor Brady's here. Hi, besties. Blue dress. Look at these beautiful ladies. All right, guys. I just wanted to share that moment with you guys, but you know me, I can come on for the live. I love you guys. I'll send videos when I'm receiving the keys to the region. Not the city. Multiple mayors are here. It's the keys to the region. Thank you, guys.
Talk that shit.
Somebody said take off the comments. I need to see clearly, but I'm gonna get off live.
Oh,
because
you have
they're
a whole
also
magician
filming.
behind you.
Right here.
Oh.
Sitting here looking at the stage.
Oh, hello. I didn't know.
We're going to be seeing one-of-a-kind magic. You haven't seen anything like that. So my name is Vladi Lucan. I come all the way from Macedonia. I live on the beautiful island of Christina. And I also do live in Palm Beach, if you're interested to hire me for the next event. One more month in the beautiful state of Florida. So Spice, you're going to be seeing one kind of a magic, something you've never seen before.
You gonna make me get a man?
Voila.
Voila! Is he in a box somewhere?
I was so sure actually that she's gonna wear a blue dress and a hat to prove my blue suit.
Oh wow.
Okay. That's right.
Ready to begin?
Are you playing tricks?
Magic.
You're crazy.
We're gonna see some magic.
You need to pay a really close attention.
Okay. You got a little magic going on.
Spice, you ready to begin?
Yes.
You can see, to be honest, you can see all of them different. All of them different. Spice, do me a favor. At any time, we haven't set anything up. You can say stop at any time like you feel. Say stop, please.
Stop.
Is that the one?
Yes.
Take a look, please, and show everybody what you got. I promise that one look. Do not forget it, please.
Oh, give me that card, yeah.
Don't forget it, please.
I know that's right.
Don't forget it. Let me know when you're done. Just place it back.
Don't look.
I won't. I promise. I've seen this trick before.
Wait.
Place it back. Let me know when you're done.
I did. Yes.
No. You cannot do pay close attention. Spice, do me a favor. All the way in the middle. Push it all the way. Just give me the hand like this. It wasn't the 4 of spades. Keep me honest. It wasn't the 4 of spades.
No.
I'm facing the camera. It's not a 4 of spades. Can you keep me honest?
No, it wasn't.
4 of spades. It's not. Give me the hand like this. Spice, please close attention. Pay attention. Darling, can you help me please as well? Put the other hand on top. Pay close attention. Keep it like that. Bring nothing in my hand. All it takes is one blow, one snap. Take a look and show them what you got.
Wow.
Wow.
I always wanted to take things to the next level. I'm gonna do something that you've never seen before. Pay close attention. Is that the one you chose?
Yes.
Be honest, by speaking the hell like this. Do you know that? Do you know why you selected the queen?
Because I am a queen.
I agree on that, but I was so sure you're gonna select the card tonight that I made a special creation. Can the camera please catch this picture? You can see on my finger I have a creation. Can you tell them what it says on my finger?
Oh, a queen of art.
It is the queen, but I always want to take things one step further. Do not blink. I'll place it in the bottom. Keep me honest. Spice all of everything. Keep me honest. Put a hand on top, Spice, please. This is the part that you need to pay a close attention. You're not going. Make sure the camera catches this. Just like that. One more. Keep your eyes. Pay close attention.
Oh wow.
That's all
What?
Oh wow.
All queens?
They all clean.
They're all queens.
All queens.
What the f-
That's dope.
Pay close attention. A spice. This is
Did
so
you see
nice,
that?
And I wanted to make something special. Give me the hand like this. I'll take one of the queens as slowly as I can. One of the queens.
I wonder if that man can
Give me
find
the
them.
hand like this. Put the other hand on top. Keep me honest. I always want to take things to the next level. One blow. Make sure the camera catch this one. All of them back to normal, except for one. Take a look and show them what you got. Make sure the camera catches that. Hold it short like this.
Wow. That is crazy. I wonder if the man can find me a man. You know, she said the man a real magician. And I think can pop out to a man on time at. Wow. Thank